Me ya sure say bana di Okudzeto wajiwani so.
NDC for my dirty politics yemo. Munyina mu bewu asa, munyina mu bewu.
Order for me mo ha. Enti mo say. Mo say ma yen ka bi nkyere NDC fo yi. Ye ma obi a ya akọ. In fact abusu ade atom.
Enti ni for akọ na so ye Ghana has here prior to the accident na happen ye no. Plane crash accident no. Honorable Ablakwa. Mirror of Justice Ablakwa. Na so ye shipa. Ghana for de ke bi kire Ablakwa nyina fa nsem a. Na nsem asate go viral say Mahama ehia private jet. Nigeria na so hia private jet. Ghana for ehene Ablakwa wo na mo kan semwe Ablakwa wo na wo kan semwe ene sumo de ebe wo Ghana for no abai kimi pa achira Ablakwa be ba wonchire mu na zo the whole issue no achira wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mesra say didi mu over like video no da ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be achira wadwen de amame e wo comment section mesra so baso no wa share video for so enya bi ahye enti plane crash ama Omane Boamah ene motere Mohammed ewu ama ka Ghana no at this point no zen ka obia e morning cause ke nyina ye diare ho nanso no Honorable Ablakwa Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa na so ayesha obeka nsem bi ama na no be nika ama Ghana for no ebuafu ni nyina fa nsem a Ablakwa kan opposition 2022 ana Akufo-Addo board private jet the private jet true kwai ema eno no ye beka say Akufo-Addo afa private jet ama odwale wo wiemu odwale gu yeso je say o disrespect Ghana ade o the plane eko wiem ana wo odwale gu yeso je say ye kan nsem bebrebe that time na Akufo-Addo awe say presidential jet no what problem what I say chop away na helicopter in accident no that Ghana forces plane way what problem yet me fan too kwai enye what fault enti yensiesie ye mo ho kan fa ne ma mu until then dey be too quiet me the private jet enebeko until say be see that particular plane na we dey me too quiet me the private jet enebeko anka boni bi anim but we had Ablakwa yenya Ablakwa ema Ablakwa be ebe kika nsema kese.
Look, that will fail. Ghanaians are discerning. Ghana owns a functioning presidential jet, a jet in pristine condition, a jet in mint condition, a jet that is a long-range aircraft and flies to virtually everywhere in this world. I hear people say, oh, it's such a tiny jet. The president, the last time I heard the vice president spokesperson, Dr. Gideon Boaku, say on news for that, oh, the president cannot even stretch a leg. You say, let's stop these blatant falsehoods. Because, you see, when we do that, we are insulting the Ghanaian people. Ghanaians know that tall President Weah of Liberia, he applies to use our presidential jet. He is granted.
When he used it for watching Washington,
I was there for the UN General Assembly.
The engines failed. The engines failed.
Machines at the President Mahama 2015. President Mahama actually had two incidents, 2015 and 2014. That's why it has three engines. When one engine fails, it's nothing fatal.
The president has to make an emergency landing.
After 30 minutes it was not something to be scary about. Look, it is not. Look, President Mahama had the same incident twice. It didn't stop President Mahama from using the
like flying.
Look.
Ablakwa ebe kana adwen kire Akufo ewo ho. Na enu achi na plane crash incident na happen ye no. Ensem wa enam social maintenance so ne say Mahama ohia private jet ontimi make use of presidential jet no. Ema even kra no Mama Pratt Kwesi Pratt ne baba na oye vice president spokesperson no. Ekra kwotena adom afi o ka say oh Jena na kra hia private jet because oye vice president of Ghana onye just ordinary person. Oye vice president of Ghana. Na enu mo no ana Ghana for say hey mo ga say ngwase afo ho. Etua ho si tuaduam oyonko da no that what is good for the goose is good for the agenda. Adia 2024 na enye no mo condemn yen ene adekode do enye da he private jet obi adobi obi ahia private jet obi ahia se munya plane for to kwaya mo fa form car mo fa form na mo nye ye kwa mo fa form
Order for me mo ha enti mo say mo se ma yen ka bi nkyere NDC fo yi ye ma obi a ya akọ in fact abusu ade atomoni ye ma mo ya akọ pa na say ye wo obi say ye be ka bibia kire na ma ye nyina ye mfa sempa ema abrante Okudzeto Ablakwa a wono no na adwen ye ne se wonim nyansa se ne obi a wo Ghana ha so kwasasem kwa na ne obi sa abere na omampani e wote so na namo bi otu ye efa wiamhye etina mu de ko amano ne baabi okoye bia ansa na papa bi kwa akuduru no na ehon nsem baabi a plane nam altitude a airco plane kro baabi a okwa akolande so bi ka so bekum papa yankokun eno na papa yi say ye presidential jet no eya ye absolute enti yenye ho adwuma na ye ntofoforo hey onti bida ehuru papa ya ma in fact pepa na nkomode koto so ure fi so a helicopter ya edem rantie yi ene embenfo kakra wumi ekọ fom na nabo ene na ban person mo toma akoma nan na omode argument de wo hodada so wo hwe sa ne ma we nyina no Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa etwen krata SSC sika omampani tu kwan a ekomu ene baabi kura efa ne mprafo a efo wiemhye nyina bi ema nipa dodo ne gidi ense wo ba ejimifo gi a woje Okudzeto Ablakwa nsem di ye no oba ejimfo me se asem we si nyina on na mpesa metene nka se wonyante Ghana fo bebere adwen yo mse nko ne se nko tena sa wienhye na ekọ ehwe ase mu se wonyante ya se eso osuan nyansa won hya se no nsuan ntem umpo a wotimi ye photocopy sa timiri han dan wo bia dan han enye bete no wo kra ye nka wasem asu papa itimi kan ensama koduru se de omampani akufo ado omo bram poda ema yeso ye ni yodium Ghana fo emaburu tu di nachi ema ye de gina so de abufu hyew koto abade tie a aban ana ewo so no ena na abdanko akufo ado aban no enne yes ye fa ntanse ni nyina ye de bo Okudzeto Ablakwa ni tiri so ne ye de bo na ni ti ene ni tiri ho e de za ahwehwe
me ye sure se bana de Okudzeto wajiwani so Okudzeto Ablakwa wajiwani so sabi o sikana na do power a sabi bi ekwo hwehuna no ehwehuna ba omie na mka so meto foforo ade ya sei ara man fa politics anye sabi o ade asa na mampani zo otofoforo amosi dabi ye injimi ensa ho edi se ba ko asei amonsa ba ko ene ye ne hwe the politics ni jimi sabi bebe de akoduro ne hwe emema brane makomaku 8 yagu obu okwa na mamedi ni bakro hwe former MP abrante kama yonga makunu muri politics akunu ne sabi kana na adu sika hero bedi awade ewe hu na adu sika he ne sabi na adu bedi hu sika MP bedi hu sika na sabi eni se baba power ne ye hu beton yanka nye na so politics hwede abewie awade hu mobo why
NDC for my dirty politics yemo munyina mu bewu asa munyina mu bewu enye peni se ye beka kire obi so bewu but NDC for politics time da bia wo ho asem nko a na omoka Kevin Taylor atima bo bia wuto okrum ha so wo kasem no wanka ama mahama na so wanka ama NDC a o se na obewu na bese no abedi watem na moto ho na mo hwe na emo feye mo de ge kan bi ono free doma ho ne hu fi bi o frɛ no Porsche aba ho da bia wodi atem na NDC for platforms no mo promoting na mo de mo nipa 8 pa wu ya na mo mo kra de helicopter no ahye ne na me ya na mo wo no ma wu ni de senya ya helicopter no ahye no ye betam Ghana sika akoto foforo no na ya party a only as president only as vice president where party papa muni as president mo anso muni as vice president o munyina ewu president Kufo 86 years Akufo-Addo 81 years o munyina atete ho o mo ho dendenden nkwaseyefo o mo amo mrantie ne na mu wuo adwempone hwese nipa 8 pawu na oman no sesi e kase ye nto aba omo eye omo ya omo a enye omo ya dosu chen omo a eye omo ya die ntia NDC mu politics ye time na monsesa politics NDC for ye no eye time ase dunketia se omo de do mba ye omo de bewi ni party bi omo be ku nipa kora na de enti se na mu wei mesi mu be wasa mu be wu na masa kwase ya politics nko na NDC for ye owu mu jahwegu ho asem nko na moka enti So ube kansa ni mana omo mfa omo support Akufo-Addo ba so no ye free SHS ene nkwala mienu bi kwatam kamera si omanim di Akufo-Addo atem kwala mienu omo ko free SHS ni bi o di Akufo-Addo atem na Ghana focus enye oye president mususu munyi mu mepachaw na NDC for support se omudi Akufo-Addo atem enye we na mahama de okora oye mpotwa dada ye be kun afiri ye me ye be di watem akosi so ube so you so be dey wo say o person go say tete o dia wo yale kura na mo ho.
Yes, Ghana from Obin Kanchi Era John Dramani Mahama said, Nyamia sorry dan ye siama no okrum ha no. Eno kwa yetime de ye politics e mane ye. Yes, Nyamia sorry dan ye siama no okrum ha no. Etime tete Ghana for ntem ene owu a enam wo John Dramani Mahama. O selfish interest abano. And now who be can't say me and Fanya politics. You're a John Dramani Mahama. Oh boy, ye the beye. Messi oh boy, ye the beye. And then you do so the Ube 12 futu. You say, who opposition no, who opposition no. And then where who answer, I can't just give me a national issue. It's me and Fanya politics. And then who dia at the dead year, it's no Ube 12. You're a John Dramani Mahama. Oh boy, I'm fa. We are there, you're within you film. We are there who boom. We yet the wubom, Saturday Yabo how a kumsen. What to me and say, and no, me and Fanya politics. Oba Bateva Katae. Lydia Hassan, yes, you parliamentarians at Tom Limited. I can come with some. I tell Lydia Hassan, Oba Cardian the farm, and then you drew so the Uber Tufo. You're a ground man, mamma. Wouldn't your foot to her? Me say, what never catch up already, you say. Ninia Coconia day. Yes, and never Uber Tufo. Ubuamfa. We are the wubom. We are the wubom. And I tried to catch you in coupon. Drop the money, mama. What are your politics money, ye? What are your politics money, ye? And then you be your Uber tufo. You have done the money, mama. Now, opposition, no Yansa, do tufo. No way. Oh, opposition. And what about them? What's on aye. What's on song, me boy? Oh, person, you can enjoy it. Who's on the final politics? Yet, yet, the problem. Yet to come a suffer from Bediwati, ye assemblies for. Also, Oba post, a suffer from Bediwati, and our post no. And then I want to post no. One country Ghana for say, ye Ghana for, it will bet by years one Ademano, I do to more one home day. Well, teacher post, what can I say? I do to what the Ghana who say, I do to me your papa, a 2 money post. What the Ghana who said, your friend are 2 forces in Sicano, are 2 forces in Sicano, a Ghana for your sika, a 2 9 Jamae. Oba ubeyi yimu what your chum to what they want to mount to eti and the ube to Messi was self to no fatu attorney general say yes can end this before could do muhono omo kwa jemna ya gada sika and yes I wouldn't need any moral right so because say me and ya politics we are there beye we are them see beye the Ghana for money me had them some from Saturday Mark Maso yes from some Mark Maso name ya mu ya bia prasa na says and me aside there for me. Na masa trust ye. De we are in Susi ye no. Sa so na we be. Na mo shama me.
We don't belong to the same political party. To obi wo no. Mo de ayesiri mu jubilate. Mo ni age simply because enye NPP ni. Like what are we becoming? What are we becoming? All because of
since Ankrofoni wu ye. Since the 8 people died, me who be a waba social media, ababe jubilati. Me who be a waba social media, ebo se ni niaje. E ya wona wo politicize adieno. And you know what you are doing, because you know your fans are gullible. Mo shadana, I your party, because you know what you are doing. You are politicizing the thing. This is like you've made almost 3 videos on this case. Maybe would it pay extra fame or something because you have enough clout. But you've made almost 3 videos on this case. This case, no. So person money these people like you just keep quiet or you post their photos and you just mourn them. And more defending these stuff. Yes, some people are politicizing them, but MPP for I'll show you guys 2 videos. Then you know, say it is not only done by the MPP side. Yes. We've seen Kofi Akpalu come and make senseless allegations. And we have also seen people from the NDC also come and make senseless allegations. Some people are insinuating, say, because MPP were opposition in T, they are trying to attack Mahama. Well, if these things are coming from your mouth, you know, say answer being, but you will still say it. Just say, oh, fan base on because MPP 4% harm him. Who wants to harm Mahama? Nobody wants to harm Mahama. It looks dumb making these statements, and there are people like you they are like taking advantage and making so much video in the guy say who to Ghana for. You know what you are doing. Nobody has said say Nenia Jiwe. Watch these 2 videos.
We are abam prempre we on and not tragedy a see no. Mrs. Sasumoni na at the boat of Kete free fa.
But God will punish them. Our president was the target. So guys, this nation belongs to us, so we must speak against the injustice in the system. I was taken to Insawon prison 14 days.
Now these are 2 videos from Nkrofwa, Osha, Omunim Nyanza, Omujia. Meaning how they think. They are trying to politicize everything. And Osha, you know said they are not NPP people, but they are still trying to politicize it. So maybe Jina say, Ayana, Edimewu and people, it's from both divide and Opeso Omani some people. Like you just keep quiet. Let the sadness die down and stop chasing clouds.
President John Dramani Mahama, one with the partisan politics, Eddie and Akwakubi. Sa plane crash ya isi. Ya de subwoni na ebebo. Winning elections out power now started say pam top military generals. Reverend Intim for Joe Betnasi, Ekacho say President Yawu no you need to stop it. Oba pam top generals, pam squadron leaders, pam pilots, pam penifo what did that army nano emo kofi. And I cover inexperienced ones at the buy. And then say flying officer and I said pilot or 2 flight no any free Accra or the call boss no. Your commission last year November ya. According to Ghana Armed Forces no, and say pilot ultimately fly for more than 2 years. And that's how we have more flying hours. And sana one person you can fly on your own. But and I'm saying President Mahama, upon top generals, upon squadron leaders, upon pilots, or more army nimunutino. The army is forced to use inexperienced pilots. And I'm not penny for them. So steady avionics kakra. Helicopters, a issue visibility and a dinante. And this a big aircraft now. Omutumisu other raiders dinante no. And tino, and sana helicopter be moving no. They need to see ahead. It is so who say who ahead and say or drop it back from. And this will come more than 13,000 feet. And your mother who anymore ya. So share na say baby or one a foggy na on to me nkwana anymore. And so drop it back down. And your one no more area or who say plane back from no. And your pilot no. Because on who anim it also back from no who anim. And baby I know nam so no obuasi area honom no. A mountainous area. And essentially a forest. And the fog no air very thick. It is when you experienced pilot one more flying hours. Now for inexperienced one, he will be forced to calm down or better drop it down more. Send a better visibility when you know their movie plane forward. Now, and I'm so inexperienced pilot you know or drop it back down or who from so the ref you know say baby on nam no mountainous and forest. And you know, to my understanding, no, I think the blade back who echo bodria and then nose dive ebaya. Timi didn't go rap from Omane Plane Cràsh. No. It is a problem where I now for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Upa power. Upamon kofo pama directors of war jumum. pamo and cry do ma military training and cry do ma police training, immigration training, mu pamo mu nyina do mu kofie. And I'm partisan party politics. Ayedi your democracy your Ghana. It said nurses na ya pamo nurses ya form adwuma nyina. Ya kwakofa inexperienced pilots, flying officers. Omuni flight hours. Omuni experience. And omudi search mpanimfo enenam. President Mahama ka to play mu bia. Nyame fa sam ka to play mu bia nkan kwa kwahwe nkwan because of poor decision. We take here. Winning elections because of that decision I'll take here no. E ka je nkwan firi wonsam. Boko say top military generals na wapam no. Enye mo nka ho because omo na a training we mu. Oman training oman wie. Mu release omo every army ni mu. So omo nkofie. So next time, His Excellency John Omane Boamah who take a decision and consulting penny for answer not taking that decision. And yes, sir, at the Oyende Besaba Ghana view.
Who bet to actually watch an army? Ever comment section. I Penyah Media. Background.